And I think we're just finishing in this corner here. Nice little easy Monday for them. Don't forget your jackets, the trees. How are you going to get that? Good morning. Welcome to another week at Airedale fencing. Today the guys are finishing off the cricket club at Buttershaw, Bradford. So hopefully get some footage of that today. I'm just on my way to do a couple of site surveys. I'll see if I can get some footage, but sometimes it's a bit awkward when it's new clients, but one of them I should be able to, as it's a biggish job. And then we've got a couple of repairs and stuff to do for some smaller jobs which are booked in before Christmas, and then we've got an allotments to do back end of the week, I think it is. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll get some footage of all these jobs. Hi there guys, we're just over at Buttershaw Cricket Club. Lads have really cracked on now. We've more or less done all the way around. They'll be finished here today, probably this afternoon at some point. Let's turn it. You can see we've started up there. I think Justin's already seen this one. Come all the way down here. And all the way around back of there. And you can probably see guys in distance over there. Just a bit more to do. I think there's about another 10 panels to get in. About another 30 metres. And just the gate post to straighten at the front. So it's looking good, is this one. You can see we've just gone round these trees nicely there. Been a bit tight on a few of them. Certainly made a difference from what they had before, the old chain link one. Yep. Just also wanted to say we've had quite a good response so far to our £250 giveaway. That'll be cash or whatever, or bank transfer to whoever's the lucky winner. And again, I'll just stress, as soon as we get over 500 subscribers, I will draw the names out of a hat randomly, but you have to be a subscriber and you have to comment "I'm in." So what have you got to lose? Let's do it. Yeah, so just at this Buttershaw Cricket Club, lads are nearly done here now. I think Baggy's just setting up final line here. Only 10 metres or so to go here. Charlie's just cutting it down in front of them there. And I think they're just finishing in this corner here. Nice little easy Monday for them. Don't forget your jackets, the trees.
Morning guys, so we're at the yard today. Lads are on a job We have got a big delivery of all our stock coming today. Used to just put all the stock right there and just you know, do it for orders, but now we've been doing, well, I've been doing this last couple of days. So we've got these two first ones here set up. They will go free high and they will be setting. So we're going to have all our panels, sorry, we're going to have all our posts on here. It'll be a nice little place to have the posts. You know, we can fit around 400 posts on each section. And then today I'm going to be getting these ones out. Some of the bottom ones are a bit bigger. So we're going to be moving this here and all this, and we're going to be setting them up. Don't forget as well, YouTube giveaway. Get yourself subbed. I'm in the comments to be in it, to win it. 250 quid for free. You can't complain. So make sure you subscribe. See you later, guys. And guys, so we're just in yard today. Like I said yesterday, we're getting all the stock put away, stillages built up, and then all the panels away. So it looks a right mess at the minute. So we've got the posts on there. We just got to get one more level on for the 2.4 stuff. What is sat there ready, and I'm just building up the stillages for the panels at the minute. Mark's just going through all the invoicing at the minute. So we've got the 1.8s on top, 2 meters, and then you've got your 2.4s right at the bottom. That's all your Vmesh, and exactly the same again here. But yeah guys, it looks like we'll be back on job next week as well. So we'll be out and about getting some videos of what we're doing and what jobs are next. Yeah guys, hope you enjoy yourself, have a good weekend, and we will see you soon.
Hello, just up at Rawdon, top of Rawdon Billing as it's known locally. Rawdon All Boys football pitch here. And about renewing all this with some spectator rail, 1.2 metre high, and taking all this old concrete rail stuff out. And it's quite a big one. It's about 370 metres I think in total. I don't know if you can see it over here, an angling club. We actually fenced around that a number of years ago, and I've just realised that that's we do that many, you forget. So yeah, hopefully we'll get this one should be a good one for us. Although these concrete things to take out look an absolute nightmare, if I'm honest. Good morning. We're just here to start another little job at Farnley, Pudsey, just next to a lovely Leeds Council park here. It's actually a private house, lovely little house with a courtyard here. There's just a bit of palisade he wants to go up here. Loads of trees and that have been cut down here. So obviously now it's open, this is actually a park. So the council have allowed him to have green palisade along here. Client's been out. he's been chopping all these trees down by hand. He's been having a go at this one. My guys have turned up and said, whoa, stop. We'll just 2 minutes with chainsaw and we'll get chainsaw on that for him. A nice little job, just a couple of hours for our guys this, not major.
These bad dance make it hurt.
concludes another week at Airedale fencing. You see we've got some new hats. Justin, you've got yours on?
Got mine on.
Yeah. You see well, not sporting new hats, we're sick of advertising others, but anyway. So yeah, we've done quite a bit this week. Not bad for just second week back after Christmas. We've on Monday the guys finished Buttershaw Cricket Club, which are whacked off. Tuesday, where were we Tuesday, Justin? Oh yeah, Tuesday they was did a little palisade job, which you'll see, green, for a little private customer. Wednesday they went up north, up near Durham somewhere, and did a repair 7 section of the palisade with some razor wire. Yesterday they actually did an allotments, did 50 metres of 2 metre high mesh, did it in day, which were pretty good going. And today they've done a couple of repairs. They've installed a gate at an existing nursery that we've worked at before, and they've done a repair on a gate at another job that we did a couple of years ago. Somebody had bashed into it with a motorbike or something, that they've sorted that out. But anyway, yeah, so that's a wrap for us for this week. But don't forget, we're still on the £250 giveaway, but only for subscribers. So you have to subscribe to the channel, hit the button now, and then just comment I'm in, and one lucky subscriber will win £250 cash, no questions asked. So we'll see you again next week. See you, Justin.
See you later, guys. Have a good weekend.
And we'll see you.